Hi, this is Lorena from Ink and Lace, and I would like to talk a little bit about this modern Romanian point lace collar. I had a few questions about this lately, and I promise I will update bit by bit. Sorry, it designs on this, and we can work together on it, or you can work on your own pace. So this piece is put together by a center piece that can be at the front or the back, and by two on the side and two on the other side, so 5 pieces in total, plus the bullion, the button on the back to close it. I'll show you. You can wear it that way, or you can wear it this way. This comes great with a white shirt or a black shirt, whatever you like. I'm talking about this bullion. The bullion is an extra piece to learn, so if you attended my classes before or you heard me speak about bullions, this is the one. I'll show you how to do that at the end, and then you decide if you wanna close your lace collar with a bullion, or you want to do a simple cord like that. All up to you. Now, I've chosen Bordeaux because it's a really nice color in contrast to the regular white color, even though this is very nice too. But keep in mind that if you are new to Romanian point lace and you want to embark in such journey to start an intricate piece, it is always great to work with lighter colors, so you can see the stitches easier from the beginning and to memorize them. But if you're comfortable enough to work with darker colors, this dark red Bordeaux is actually quite nice. I wouldn't suggest that you start with black, because it's very difficult to work with if you are not familiar or barely started with Romanian point lace. So like I said, the first piece that I'll do is the center. It is the largest piece, and we want to get the biggest piece done first. I'll suggest that you make a lot of Romanian point lace cord so you have it ready. I'll see what color I have the most cord, and I'll start a new piece with this design in a different color. So do not forget, when you want to know about this one, it's gonna be a different color, so you guys can learn it step by step. So I'll suggest something light. So make enough cord. I can't really tell you how much you'll need. Depends on your hook size, depends on your thread size, depends on the size you do. You are welcome to download the piece that I will upload, but you can make it larger or smaller depending on your size. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned to the other parts. Also, if I manage to do the whole piece in one pattern for you to download, you are actually welcome to work separate pieces, one piece by piece, so you are actually not overwhelmed when it comes to this. Okay, but make sure you have enough cord. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.